All right, guys, check it out. We get the transmission is on the vehicle. It's about 3 hours passed by. We had to fast forward everything. Sorry, I did not record every detail on this because we just want to get it done. We have 2 vehicles coming in after this, but we get the transmission in there. The CV axle right here. Double check everything. Outer tie rod, 2 bolts and nuts. We had to torque this to spec. 101 foot-pounds on this nut and bolt right here. And then this is 145 foot-pounds of torque on the axle nut. Okay. We didn't take out this. We did not. We just had to loosen this one up. It's nice and tight. Anything that wire ABS has to be loosened. So this side's good. Let's go to the other side. Same thing here. Okay, we got the new struts here installed. Torque to spec right there, 101 foot-pounds on those nuts and bolts. You forgot this one, bro. Axle nut. What? Let's torque this one back. And then here is good. Swivel length is good. Okay. The brakes, we did not take it out, so it's good. So we're just gonna have to torque this to spec, 145 foot-pounds on that, and it should be good. One more. All right, that's good. All right, underneath the vehicle, we got that crossbar installed right there. 3 bolts right here, 3 bolts on the other side. And then we got the center bar, 2 bolts on the top with 1 bolt on the mount, front mount. Same thing at the back, 2 bolts right here. And then 1 bolt at the mount. All right. And then of course the transmission bolt is all over the place. And the CV axle right there. The engine mount right there. The intermediate shaft is all ready to go. It's easy to put it back than taking it out because you know what you're doing. So this side's good. And then let's go on top. Alright, so up here, double check everything. Here's the sensor. We connected now. Everything is good. We need the transmission harness back on there. Battery tray, the battery, and then the cable, and then the ECU harness. And then make sure the ground right here, there's a ground right here. Need to tighten that up. And then, oh yeah, the inner and outer line for the transmission cooler line. We need to connect that as well. So we're just gonna quickly do that. And then after that, we'll start the engine. Alright guys, we got everything back together up top here. All the shifter cable, the transmission cable, the wires and stuff, everything. Pins on the shifter cable. I did a DIY on that cable, how to take out that pin. Check it out. A battery cable, everything positive and negative. The ground right here on the transmission. Make sure that's attached. Just move some wires, make sure everything is all connected. Oh yeah, see, look at this one. I forgot this one right here. We had to take this out. Yeah, I had to fix that. Everything, make sure move some stuff in here. All right, we're gonna start the car, see how it goes. The battery is dead. All right, we got a booster. Yeah. I just charge it.
Sometimes we put that up, right?
Yeah. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I forgot. That's a mess.
Yeah.
We need to put the hose. Alright, rookie mistake right here. Oh my god. That's that. Fitting right there. It was dripping. And there's another one right there. Right here. This one was dripping because of we didn't connect the transmission cooler line. We're gonna have to put this transmission cooler line and then should be good. Cooler line right there for the transmission going to the rad from the transmission. There's another one right there. It's all secured, clamp going to the rad. Should be good. We're gonna put transmission oil on this after. I believe it's Dextron 3. So we're gonna get the fluid here and then we're gonna add it up, and then I'll show you in the next video. I'm gonna show you how to add and check your level on this transmission. All right, go ahead.
sometimes this the light.
Alright guys, so you can see there's no engine light. That's perfect. Means that it's fixed. The problem, no more codes. P0335 is the code. Crank sensor. That's it. We're gonna be changing the valve cover on this, so stay tuned on that one. We'll take this out. Everything around the valve cover. We'll put a brand new one, the gasket. We'll clean it up. And then she's ready to go.